Ever find yourself saying "I want" too often? It can come across as demanding or needy. Let's explore 10 great alternatives to enhance your communication. First, try "I would like." It's polite and softens any request. For example, "I would like a cup of coffee, please." Another option is "I'm interested in." This phrase shows curiosity and enthusiasm. Try saying, "I'm interested in learning more about your project." Consider using "I hope to." This phrase adds a touch of optimism. For instance, "I hope to visit you next month." You can also say, "I'm looking to." It conveys a sense of seeking or searching. For example, "I'm looking to improve my skills in coding." "Could I have" is a gentle way to make a request. For instance, "Could I have a few minutes of your time?" Try "I'm aiming to." This phrase shows ambition and direction. For example, "I'm aiming to finish the report by Friday." Another excellent choice is "I'm thinking of." It introduces your thoughts or plans. You might say, "I'm thinking of starting a new hobby." "Would you mind if" is very polite and considerate. You could ask, "Would you mind if I opened the window?" "Is it possible to" shows respect for the other person's ability to grant your request. For example, "Is it possible to get an early checkout?" Lastly, use "I plan to." This phrase is forward-thinking and confident. For instance, "I plan to travel abroad next summer." By using these alternatives, you can express your desires more effectively and politely. Try them out and see the difference they make. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.